how to add Google Pay as a payment method on the Temu app. The first things first is, of course, access your Temu application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So basically, there is actually no need for you to do something because if you choose to log in with your um, Google Mail account with Temu, it will automatically be synced with your Google Pay. So, for example, you have used your Google Mail to log in with Temu, and let's just go ahead and add something on our cart. And let's just go to cart. All right, here. So upon checkout, if you have used your Google Mail as your login credentials with Temu, you will automatically see Google Pay under payment methods right here. Now, if you choose on a different account, all you have to do is go all the way back, return your card, and just tap on you at the center portion of your screen right here, which is going to be redirected to your account, and just go to settings. So if you go directly to payment methods, now it's going to be on a black screen right now because this is a secure and private screen. So if you tap on your payment methods, you will redirected be to all of the payment methods that you have set up to your Temu app. Now, if you use your Google Mail account with Temu app on your login credentials, there's no need for you to do something. All you have to do is just add something to your cart and on the payment area, just choose on Google Pay. But if you choose on a different account, all you have to do is to link your Temu application to your Google Mail so it will automatically set up as your payment method. So just go to your payment methods right here and link your Google Mail account to Temu. So that's it. That's how easy you can change Google Pay as your payment method on Temu.